Hi, we're Team Hufflepuff, and we took a look at lean management strategy. So how and why did this method come about? Lean originates from the principles of lean manufacturing, which is a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing systems while simultaneously maximizing production. In this case, waste is defined as anything that customers do not believe adds value and are not willing to pay for. So lean's origins can be traced back to the beginnings of modern manufacturing. So seen here on the left is the Ford factory. Henry Ford was the first to integrate a production process, creating what he called flow production, which married consistently interchangeable parts with standard work. The mass production process allowed for manufacturing and assembling of the components of his vehicles within a few minutes instead of what might have taken hours or days. However, the issue with his system was that he was unable to provide variety. The Model T was limited to only one color and one specification. So here enters Kiichiro Toyota, seen here on the right. Toyota examined this situation and just after World War II, he came to the realization that a series of simple innovations could provide continuity in process flow and a wide variety of product offerings, therefore inventing the Toyota production system. This system is, and I quote now from Toyota, based on the philosophy of achieving the complete elimination of all waste in pursuit of the most efficient methods. This has come to be referred to as the just-in-time system or the lean manufacturing system. The Toyota production system is based on two concepts. One, G-CODA, which is translated as automation with a human touch. So when a problem occurs, the equipment stops immediately, preventing defective products from being produced. And two, the just-in-time concept, in which each process produces only what is needed for the next process in a continuous flow. With the grounding in these two philosophies, the Toyota production system can efficiently produce quality vehicles one at a time. So now the term lean production was then made worldwide by the book, The Machine That Changed the World, which was published in 1990. In the subsequent volume published in 1996, the principles of lean were distilled to these five, which are widely used today and regarded as the five principles of lean product management. 1, specify the value desired by the customer. 2, identify the value stream for each product, providing that value and challenge of all the wasted steps, generally 9 out of 10, currently necessary to provide it. 3, make the product flow continuously through the remaining value-added steps. 4, introduce pull between all systems where continuous flow is impossible to keep the workflow moving efficiently. And 5, manage toward perfection so that the number of steps and the amount of time and information needed to serve the customer continually falls. And now I'll pass it off to Rachel.
Okay, so lean management, like any other project management system or anything really, comes with its advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of lean management are cost saving, customer interaction enhancement, increased quality, and better motivation. All of these advantages make a lean project management system a great option for an organization. So let's dive into what each of these advantages mean. Cost saving. We typically know what cost saving means to us as individuals, making budgets, not spending money on useless items, etc. While in lean project management, this means the same thing. Lean project management focuses on maximizing profits, which leads to decreasing or cutting costs within the organization to increase revenue. Customer interaction enhancement. Wow, that's a mouthful, but very important and a great advantage to using this project management strategy. With lean, customers are at the forefront of mind. This means that every project sold has the customer in mind. Unfortunately, not every company thinks this way, which is a shame. The next advantage is increased quality. This goes hand in hand with having the customer in mind. Because the customer comes first, the quality of the product is better. With Lean, the overarching goal is to decrease defects and increase the value or the products being sold. This should make any company want to implement this strategy because with increased quality comes better products, and better products typically lead to more customers. The last but certainly not least advantage of Lean is better motivation for the team. With increased quality of the products, employees tend to be more motivated because they know that what they are creating is more meaningful and impactful to the customer and company. With a more motivated team, the company thrives better and makes this project management strategy an easy choice. But with every advantage comes disadvantages. While doing some research, I found 4 core disadvantages of using this project management strategy: lack of time, cutting it close, lack of strategy, and problems with inventory. Lack of time. Lean project management requires planning and a lot of it. But when you don't have the time up front to make planning a priority, things can go wrong fast and you can get behind before you are even started. In order to combat this, a schedule needs to be created so you aren't losing time and work is done as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Cutting it close. In Lean project management, things and products are only being delivered as needed, which can lead to problems or low resources. And when I mean resources, I'm talking about team members. A team member can be out sick or having an emergency at home and need to step out. And because they are tasked with a certain part of the project, things can run behind schedule and you could inevitably be cutting it too close to your project deadline, which can lead to stress on team members and or burnout. Another disadvantage is lack of strategy. With Lean, team members tend to focus more on the 5 principles of Lean management that Lillian mentioned earlier, which means they typically lose sight of the strategy behind the project. Because of this, team members see their work more as a repetitive process instead of creative and forward thinking. The last disadvantage I found with this project management strategy is problems with inventory. With Lean management, cost saving is a must, but with that requires the company to keep inventory stock low. And with a low inventory, your customer could not want to wait on that specific project or that product, which has you rushing to make sure that the supplier can deliver the product quickly and still efficiently. But this could end up costing more if the supplier ends up having to rush, which defeats the purpose of cost saving. And now I'll hand it over to Raysean to tell you about the industries that use this project management strategy.
Thanks, Rachel. As we explore the fascinating world of lean management, I'm going to discuss the diverse applications from across industries. From manufacturing to communications and marketing, software development, and healthcare, lean management has proven to be a transformative strategy. Let's dive into the industry each industry and discover how they leverage lean principles to achieve remarkable results. First up is the manufacturing industry. Like Lillian mentioned, lean management was born here and continues to revolutionize production processes. Take Toyota, for instance, who pioneered lean principles in the 1950s. Their manufacturing system has become an industry benchmark. By minimizing waste, optimizing workflows, and improving efficiency, Toyota achieved incredible success. Other manufacturing giants like General Electric and Boeing have also embraced lean management to reduce lead times, lower costs, and enhance product quality, like Rachel mentioned. Lean management finds its place in the dynamic world of communications and marketing too, which is my world. Companies like Coca-Cola and Procter & Gamble streamline campaign execution, eliminate waste, and deliver value to customers. Lean practices optimize marketing processes and enhance collaboration. The software development industry utilizes lean management to deliver high-quality products efficiently. Agile frameworks such as Scrum and Kanban provide lean approaches. Microsoft and Spotify have embraced lean agile practices, responding swiftly to customer needs and developing continuous value. Lean management has made significant strides in healthcare as well. Hospitals implement lean management strategies to optimize processes, minimize wait times, and enhance patient care. Virginia Mason Medical Center and ThedaCare are prime examples of reducing errors, improving safety, and streamlining patient flow. Lean management's impacts transcend industries. It unlocks efficiency and value in manufacturing, communications and marketing, software development, and healthcare. By embracing lean principles, organizations enhance customer satisfaction, reduce costs, and stay competitive in today's landscape. And to bring us on home, I'm going to pass it over to Macy.
All right, thank you. So now we've kind of gone over how lean came to be, what lean is, and we've summed it up here, standing out as a focus on eliminating waste and improving efficiency. But this isn't the only framework. We have Scrum with an emphasis on doing regular iterations, getting feedback and adapting from there. Kanban has a more visual focus and tries to cut down on work in progress. DSDM emphasizes users' involvement directly in getting those wins in a set time frame. XP is built around a focus on engineering and software improvements through these methodologies. Crystal emphasizes people, the individuals, in the way they interact over maybe just a simple process. So what does lean pair with? What is its landscape within these other methodologies? Well, if you look at the bottom, lean pairs well with most. Lean is a way to really focus on efficiency and cutting down waste, and can be doing this in a lot of the different methodologies. For example, with Scrum, lean principles can be integrated with Scrum to streamline processes and reduce the backlog items that are accumulated and done to create value as it goes. With Kanban, a visual solution, lean is a great way of creating focus and clarity in this visual area and improving flow efficiency. So as we conclude, we want to thank you for listening to Hufflepuff, and we look forward to hearing any questions you may have. Thank you.